No coconut flour, no almond flour, and no xanthan gum. These keto fries are probably the closest thing you'll have to actual French fries, but without all the carbs. Hey, are you ready to make the best keto French fries ever? Let's check out the ingredients. You are going to need 2 medium-sized jicama, a half teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, a half teaspoon garlic powder and 2 tablespoons olive oil. And now, the instructions. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You'll make peeling and slicing the jicama easier if you cook it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Peel the jicama and slice into French fries about a half an inch thick. Cook in a large saucepan with boiling water for 20 minutes. Drain the jicama and dry the fries with paper towels. Season in a large bowl with cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder and olive oil. Toss the contents of the bowl to ensure all the fries are evenly coated. Spread the fries on a parchment paper-lined baking sheet. Bake for 15 minutes, flip them over and then bake for an extra 15 minutes. For crispy edges, turn on the broil for 1 to 2 minutes. Congratulations! You've just made some keto fries. Serve them with any of your favorite keto condiments. Thanks to jicama, aka the Mexican potato, they are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. With only 3 grams of net carbs per serving, you shouldn't have to miss out on French fries just because you've decided to live the keto lifestyle. Have an awesome day, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious simple keto recipes. Also, be sure to check out the links in the description box for my favorite keto resources.